Hi guys, and welcome to a new Retrowheelz video. It's already Monday noon. We just dropped off the Passat at the paint shop so we can finally fix that ugly damaged fender. I'm getting in the car now. I'm going to Autoworld Brussels with Sis and my dad to pick up,
Wait for it. Here it comes.
to watch my Mk3 VR6. And afterwards there is a little show in Brussels. We are in Belgium. We are on the highway, so we have arrived at Autoworld Brussels and we found our Mk3. It's sitting here in between some other beautiful generations of the Golf, and it's an exposition of 50 years Golf. So they asked me if I had a car that would be nice to be here, so we brought our Mk3. Time to get some polishing work done. We have some raw, freshly machined BBS HEXnuts. They take the larger new size of center caps. Now we need to sand them down and then we can go and polish them. And now we have some sanded down HEXnuts ready to be polished. And that's one set of custom HEXnuts done. They shine bright like a diamond, so one happy customer. Why do we make these? We all know the BBS rotating center caps, and to fit those in your BBS RSs, you can't use the normal RS HEXnuts because this system is not working with them. So we made our custom, our own billet center caps to fit some beautiful rotating logos. And now you can have your self-leveling center caps in your BBS RSs. And now it's time to finish off a project that I'm really looking forward to finish, because these wheels, they will look so good once they are finished. We have freshly black powder coated barrels. We have some new 3.5 inch outer lips. Look at these beauties. They are already polished. Then we have some original 3-inch lips. We still need to polish those, as you can see. But then we have the centers. Just look at them. This light doesn't do justice to the color, but if we add a little bit light, amazing. Some of you guys may recognize the color. It's dragon green from our Mk3 Golfs, so they'll also go on a dragon green Mk3 Golf with some huge lips. Choosing the right color for your wheels, it's always a difficult task, especially when you want to do something color matching with your car, as these beautiful Speedlines. We went with a dragon green center. The car is a Mk3 Golf that is dragon green, and as you can suspect, it's a little bit modified, so we can't wait to see these wheels on the guy's car, but for now you guys will have to do it with just the wheels. Time to finish off another set of custom Speedlines. I lost the count of how many sets of those we have done the past years, but it's a lot. The client is on its way, some fresh uncooked tires are laying ready, so I'm gonna mount the tires, then I can mount the wheels on the car so we can see the end result. Finally on the road, finally in my van, an hour too late, but that's normal for me. We are doing a little road trip tonight. I hope to buy 7 or 8 sets of wheels, depending if they are any good, and I'll take you guys on the trip tonight. We have arrived at set 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's hope we'll get these in the van because we found some new stock. A friend of ours, he always picks these wheels up in the Netherlands and then he gathers them all together, and then I only need to do one drive, load them in, drive home, and I have new work. Back in the shop, unloaded. It's already 1 o'clock at night, so I want to go to bed. But we had a good night. We had some great scores, some concave Ommanite wheels, some old school BMW wheels, Speedlines to make custom, and many more. Today was a good day. And the next project to finish are these one-piece 15-inch BBS RA wheels. They are already powder coated in a satin gold. Now we taped off the centers so they don't get damaged while I'm polishing them. And here we have some proof that not only 3-piece BBS wheels are cool, But just a simple one-piece wheel with a golden center and a polished lip can be beautiful also. And that's the end of another week at Retrowheelz. As you can see, my showroom is not really looking as a showroom at the moment. That's because my mother is 60. Wait, I hear her laughing. Moeder! Moeder! You can all say happy birthday to my mother in the comments. Bye, mother. So drop a comment down below. I'll tell every comment to her, so she'll know it. She's becoming 60. I'm ending my week right now. I need to get the Rally Golf inside. I just drove in the Harlequin. That's for next week. I'll show you in a minute. Some parts are arriving to have a little bit fun with our low show Harlequin. A bunch of parts, a rear light, but all the rest is for next week. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please write a comment for my mother. And I'll see you guys next week. Also from me, Mom, I love you. Happy birthday.